I'm Brighton.
And I'm Wyatt, a special guest.
Today we aren't doing anything. We're just gonna see who can be the noisiest kid in the room.
Alright, Wyatt, your turn.
No, first you gotta go. Do the loudest noise you can.
Now that was the noisiest thing in the world.
Okay. No, it couldn't have been. Alright.
Well, not really. You sound like a dumb hippopotamus.
I sound like a baby.
And that,
I sound like a fish.
and that
Like
over
a
there
crazy
is my little
hippopotamus.
sister. She's running away.
Let's go catch her. Okay. Okay, guys, so we've caught her. Maya!
Right now, she's being so annoying.
Okay, she probably is gonna win. Alright, let's go. Sayonara, suckers.